So you do some serious work on iPad. So for example, you've got a project and you read stuff in PDFs in the preview app. You jot down some notes in Apple Notes or in Pages or other text editors. You do some presentations in Keynote and you write a publication on Pages. So wouldn't it be great to tie all this together, not just in a folder, but also for you for quick access to refer to files in your file system. And that's Foldie about. So you can write something like this. My project note, I've read some topic and other topics. So these link to the files in your file system. And then you have the publication and presentation. And if you press on it, you want to open the publication or presentation. Okay. Now let's see how to do it. So first, what you need to do is you have to pass a reference to a folder, to Foldie. So in this case, let's say we want to have this Foldie test. So you drag it here. Now Foldie test is defined. There's some cryptic file path here, so it's by reference. There's not a copy, no copy created here. So once you have that, you can click on it, and then you see that here the same things are as in the Files app. So, but what you can do now is you can have this project, you can create a link to it, a copy link. So now, let's see. Okay, now you can go here and paste it. Okay, and you can go to sources to some files. Go here and again, copy link and paste it here. Come on. Okay. Okay. So now, once you've got this, you can go back to the stuff, to my project or to the file. For files, you can preview them. You can see what's in them. You can show them in the Files app. So now it's here. This some topic file. Yeah, and basically that's what you can do with Foldie.